Hi, welcome, and congratulations for completing the Modified Beginner Series. By now you've done the Modified 100, the Modified Roll-Up, the Modified Single Leg Circle, the Modified, well, honestly we never modified rolling like a ball. That move just is what it is. We've got the modified single leg circles, modified double leg circle, and then the modified spine stretch forward. So moving on, we are now going to become beginner Pilates students. So the moves are going to become harder and more challenging. There's going to be more of them. We are going to take the moves that we've already learned and make them more challenging. And again, we're going to build every day. So what we're going to do today is we are going to take that move, the 100, and we are going to make it a bit more difficult. After we finish the 100, we're going to go back into the modified series just like we did with the modified classes. So if you're not new to Pilates, this may be a bit more basic for you and you may be more interested in the intermediate series that I plan on bringing out later on. But for now, this is what I got for you. You're going to begin on your back. You're going to bring your knees to your chest and you're going to come up. Now for the modified, we brought our legs here. But now what we want to do is bring our legs out to a 45-degree angle. You're going to find this is much more difficult on the legs and much more difficult on your powerhouse. And the hardest thing to do here actually is to really suck in those abs and really keep that back flat on the floor. It's almost like there's something like pushing down, like you really want to focus on having these abdominals engaged. And the more you engage your powerhouse, the easier, I promise, it is to keep your legs up. So, and bring your legs to your chest, curl up, get those abs engaged. You're going to bring your legs out at a 45 and your arms out, and now you're going to pump 100 pumps from here. Now, if you really want an even extra challenge, you're going to slow down those pumps so that you're up in that up in that move for longer. But for now, we're just teaching this, so we're going to go back to our regular timing for our pumps. But when you do it on your own, you want to gain that strength and warm up even more. Go ahead and slow down your breaths. So let's give that a go. We're going to come up, bring your legs out, and begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inhale. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring those legs in if you need to, but keep doing this every day until you can get through the whole 100 with your legs out. In 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure those abs are down. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's relax. So now let's go through the whole series. I won't talk as much. Start with the 100 as best as you can, doing it for a beginner student, and then go ahead and modify the rest of the moves. single leg circle. Switching legs. Rolling like a ball. Into the single leg stretch. Double leg stretch. Rocking up into your modified spine stretch forward. Alright guys, great job. That was your first class for your beginning series for Pilates. Stick with it, build up those muscles to get those legs out, and then I will see you for the next session.